Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to set a default channel for your YouTube account. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on Switch Account from the drop-down menu. I have only 2 channels. If you have multiple channels, click on View All Channels. Now click on the channel you would like to set as default. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page again. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Advanced Settings. Select the checkbox next to Default Channel. That's it, your changes has been saved. Next time when you log into your YouTube account, you will be automatically signed into your default channel. This is how you can set a default channel for your YouTube account. Thank you for watching.